How to manage the protocol on Opera Mini browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage the protocol on Opera Mini. So first thing, go to Opera browser. Now go down here and click on this icon of Opera. Click here on the settings and scroll down until you find advanced option. Click on advanced, and here you will find many options, and here is the protocol option. You can change it from socket slash HTTP or HTTP right here. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.